Welcome back to Rolly Studio Global Creativity Unlimited. Today I'm going to share you how to smartly use the fabric buttons, and I'm going to show you three designs today. All three designs are with the fabric buttons, and the first design goes for this saree, and this is a saree of parrot green color which has a very good, beautiful, attractive combo border of orange color piping with half inch of Rani pink and a glittering border above that, and there is a very good floral machine embroidery of purple, violet, orange flowers and dark green leaves, and there is a maze over it. The color is so beautifully given. It starts from a light green and ends with a bottle green and gradual intensity increase of green color, and which has a very good 1 feet of netted border which make the saree more beautiful and grand. And this is the blouse, printed blouse given for that, which has no extra designs or embroidery on that, only it had some sleeve border which is exactly as same in the saree. And I made this orange color piping and Rani pink half inch of border which matches with the saree border. Of course, usage of this fabric buttons made it so elegant. Let us customize the fabric button to our desire, and I got this fabric button from the market with some golden color fabric on that, which is not needed for us. We want only this queen pink color. So for that we need only this nose player and any sharp object to open the button and change the fabric. See, it has two holes. You can use any kind of sharp objects. I use here the knife, and either the holes or the side joint you can just insert the sharp object and lift it so that they can be detached, and you can find a folded fabric in the bottom part. See how I am just taking it away. It is the square fabric which is folded into the circular form, and this is the metallic base. Let us reuse it, so don't throw it away. So you can find it is little collapsed, so to restore the beauty again I am using the nose player and slight press. Yes, it is restored. Now after, you can fix and ensure whether the fitting is tight. Yes, it is perfectly fitting. Now the button base is ready. The cloth uses the reference and cut the pink color cloth to the same size so that I can fix it well on the button. So it's ready. Take the top piece of the metal and place this fabric and fold it to the circular shape. You can find the shine through the cloth because the cloth is only the single layer and it is thin, so better we can have double layer so it becomes opaque, and this queen pink is brightly seen on the button. It's ready. Press it as tight as possible and fix the base part also. You can either glue it over or press it with the nose player, but ensure the cloth is fixed very tight to the button. Yes, it is ready. You can make 2, 3 or any number to make your complete satisfactory design, and I planned here for 3 fabric buttons, already fixed 2, and third one I am fixing in front of you. Use the same color thread, and it is the comfortable button to be stitched. 2 big holes it has so that you can make it very tight. Yes, it is fixed very good, and the design is lovely. And this blouse cutting is not complicated. To see, you can find there are 3 bits attached, but it is not so. So to show you that, I just go with the paper marking. It's not a combined formula, it's a very easy pattern. It's not having more than 1 bit. It's like a regular blouse cutting. Only thing, the blouse neck, back neck alone is drawn in this way and cut. See, one bump T, it is the second bump T, and it is the third one. So cut in this way and make piping over it the way I draw. And first you do, I just mark 1, 2 there, first you do the sides and then the back part, the long part. So the first end will go into that, it won't be visible. Then fix the fabric buttons. You can arrange fabric buttons randomly all over the part also. I used only 3. And this is the next saree for which also I planned for fabric button. I'll show you that. And this is a very beautiful black saree, bordered one side with the beautiful folk art. This folk art only forced me to purchase this saree. As soon as I saw this design, I got it. One side this folk art border and another side it is machine embroidery of golden diamonds with a circular pink color embroidery. It is machine embroidery of course, and there is a mild piping of the same rose. And this is the plain rose color blouse which is given to this saree, and I just tried to match it with the saree border. So golden piping I use since it is used in the border of that black saree one side, and it is tapered towards the center. So both the sides it is tapped and meeting at the center. From that it is continued with 3 fabric buttons. It's so nice and very good daily wear for anybody and party wear also. And this is the third saree in which also I use the fabric button. And it is a blue color netted saree with multicolored zigzag border of one side 4 inch and another side 6 inch. And this is the blouse. Again it is multicolored printed blouse, and I found very difficult to make design out of that, but I didn't want to miss the design in this blouse, so I planned for a very simple design. Had some pattern here, a zigzag pattern, since the zigzag is in the blouse also, and used 2 fabric buttons. The cloth I cut from the inner side of the saree, very small piece only I cut and used for this design. Hope you enjoyed all the 3 designs of using fabric buttons, and also how to customize the fabric button. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, please share, subscribe and like my videos. Thanks for watching them. Bye bye.